Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the program to change DPI and any other settings in your Logitech G903 mice. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Chrome or any other browser that you're using. Here we'll need to type in Logitech G.com/GHub. Hit the enter. And right here we're at the Logitech website, and we need to download this program right here, but it's in Polish as that's my main language. Let's try changing it to the English. Guess it won't work, so now let's just get the... You'll need to click on the corresponding button. So I'm using Windows and I will choose this one. If you're on a Mac, you can go for this one. It's finally ready, so we can install it. Choose the designation where you'll be installing this program and then click on the install. So now we can get started. Just follow through all of these steps and launch the GHub. Now you can see your devices. If you have more devices from Logitech, they'll be visible right here. Now click on the settings, and right here you can change any settings about this mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.